Hey y'all, my name is Miss G. I'm the librarian and literacy coach here at HSA at MMS. I am so excited to welcome you back to school and to our rising sixth graders. Welcome to HSA. Some of you may have seen some of our reading events we held throughout the summer, our weekly Instagrams, our author chats. So those are all the kinds of things that we hope to continue in this virtual and hybrid world that we're in. So I'll be sharing a lot of resources with you for how to check out books electronically, and we'll keep you updated about lots of options that you have available. So from our chats with Joel Parker Rhodes and Sharon Draper, we really just hope to continue to expand our love of reading. Whatever your curiosity is, we want to make sure that we find you the perfect book for you. So we're really excited to have y'all. Welcome, and we'll be chatting reading soon. Bye, guys.